Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I prepare my sausages. Before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, share my videos, click the red bell icon to get notified whenever I upload the video, and please do not forget to comment down below. Let me see what you think about this video that we are just about to make. First of all, these are our sausages, and I am going to boil my sausages first before frying them. Normally, I prefer cooking sausages before frying them to ensure that my sausages are properly cooked. So we are going to put our sausages in the pot, and we are going to boil them for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll come back and check if they are properly cooked. As you can see, our sausages are ready for frying. So we are going to remove them from the boiling water so that we can put them on. We can move to the next step. So we are going to leave our oil to get hot first before putting our sausages. So our oil is ready. We are going to place our sausages. We are going to dip our sausages in the hot oil. In this case, you need to be patient. Do not be so much in a hurry in order for our sausages to be properly cooked. And when you are frying the sausages, please do not put a lot of heat. Just make it a medium. As you can see, our sausages are ready, so we are going to use this paper towel to remove the excess oil from the sausages. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let's meet in the next video. Bye.